Hey guys, Llama Ranger here, just making a quick tutorial for you guys on how to set up for our charity for GKD. All you need to do is select the correct image and the correct links that he will put in his download page. So what you want to do first is go to Discord and then find your way towards the School for Charity downloads. From there, you want to click on whatever the current panel image is, which currently it is for rain. You want to open original, right click, save image as, and then just name it whatever you want it. I already have it saved, so I'm just going to overwrite it. Cool, it is there. You can go to your actual stream page. When you go to twitch.tv/your name, you're going to get to this home page. You're going to see all your videos. You want to hit about, and then you want to hit edit panels. You can see I already did it here, but I will make a new one. So you're gonna scroll all the way down in case you guys don't have one already. You're gonna hit this plus symbol for panels. You're gonna hit on add a text or image, add image, click choose a file, select what you just saved, or navigate towards it. I already have it all set up to go in one area, and you want to make sure you drag this all the way out, hit done, and you're gonna see it right there. Next, you want to, let me just copy and paste this. Make sure for the title, you make it say like donate to rain here, colon, right? And then you go back to the Discord, find the blurb, which is right there. Copy, paste that into the description. And then you want to find the image that it will link to. That way, whenever they click on the panel, it will take them to our donation page for on Tiltify. So we have it right here, donate link. And done. Next, you just want to drag it wherever you want to place it. For me, I like having it, all the way up top. That way it's the first thing my viewers see. And then uncheck this. You'll see it. It's right there. They click on this link. Takes them right to Tiltify. Exactly what you want. But I'm going to delete this because I already have it. Next, you want to set up OBS. So some people have been having issues with this on OBS. What we want to do first is copy and paste our alert overlay. So he'll name it alert, just find it for whatever the current charity is. Go to OBS, you're gonna, Inception right now, right? But it's okay. For OBS Studios, you're gonna go to sources, right here in the bottom right. Click on the plus symbol, and then browser. You wanna name it whatever you want. So this will be alert test. I'm gonna name it funky because I already have a few alert tests in here. And then you wanna paste the alert link that he has posted for us. Then I like making it 1080p, so 1920 by 1080, and then check mark and shut down when not visible and refresh when it becomes visible. And then I also like dragging it down to a decent size, that way it doesn't take up my whole screen, but you're all breathtaking pops up. Boom. Next, what you want to do is go back to Discord and find the overlay for our panel to track our goal, which is right here. Make a new browser, name it panel, whatever you want to name it, right? Doesn't have to be the same as what I just put. And then you want to paste it in there as well. And I'm gonna check mark those. So you're gonna see a common issue people are having. So if you just paste it, you're gonna see, let me transform it so it fits to my screen. You're gonna see it's all bunched up, right? It does not look nice. What you want to do to fix that is right click, properties, and then for the width, same thing, make it 1920 by 1080. If you're on a 720p resolution for your default for OBS Canvas, make sure you do it for 720. I'm on 1440, but 1080 for the panel properties still works and it still looks nice, as you'll see here. And boom, you can see on the top. Obviously, I would lower my camera and adjust for having a panel up there, but you can see now it's properly formatted. It's stretched out well. Everything looks nice. And I believe that's it. Now for Streamlabs OBS, you would do the same exact thing. The only thing is you want to look for sources, and then you're gonna see on the top right of sources, it's gonna have a folder with a plus sign and just a regular plus sign. You want to click on the plus sign and then look for browser source or browser, and then just copy and paste, same options, same everything. And that should be it. Guys, this is my first video, so it's kind of crazy, right? So let me know if you guys need any help. Feel free to message me on Discord. Just ping me, at me, whatever you want to do. I will help you guys. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me any feedback you want. And you're breathtaking.